City Lights sur Meuse FM, présenté par Fabrice.
Bonsoir à tous et bienvenue une fois encore dans l'univers musical de City Lights. Un univers musical qui ce soir démarre outre-Manche pour envahir la planète tout entière. Mais nous allons bien entendu commencer en musique avec la BO du film Crux Anonymous, une bande originale de film composée en partie par le personnage dont nous allons parler ce soir, George Martin. La chanson est interprétée par Leslie Phillips et est intitulée I Must Resist Temptation. Notre histoire démarre en 1962.
I must resist temptation, keep my wicked thoughts at bay, fight the fatal fascination that makes my fingers stray. Now the urge is getting stronger when I see your tempting charms. I can't resist the need much longer to take you in my arms. Now you're near me, life no longer seems so drab. My heart tells me now's the time to smash and grab. Findings, keepings, so when my hands begin to roam, I get a feeling stealing to take you for my own. I must resist temptation, keep my wicked thoughts at bay, fight the fatal fascination that makes my fingers stray. Now the urge is getting stronger when I see your tempting charms. I can't resist the need much longer to take you in my arms.
George Martin est né le 3 janvier 1926 et disparaîtra le 6 mars 2016. Et notre histoire démarre en 1962 car cette année-là, il est responsable du label Parlophone du groupe EMI. Et il va engager 4 garçons du nom de Paul McCartney, John Lennon, Ringo Starr et George Harrison. En septembre 62 sort leur premier single, Love Me Do.
Love me do, oh, love me do. Love, love me do. You know I love you. I'll always be true. So please, love me do, oh, love me do. Someone love me do. me do. Oh, love me do. Yeah, love me do. Oh, love me do.
Georges est musicien. Il apprendra tout jeune, de manière autodidacte, le piano. En 1943, il évite de peu d'être envoyé à la guerre. Ensuite, début des années 50, il fera sa place au sein de la maison de disques en montant doucement les échelons. Avec les Beatles, il a une vision très claire de ce qu'il veut faire de ce groupe. Il fera venir Ringo Starr comme nouveau batteur en remplacement d'Andy White. Il fera accélérer le titre Please Please Me, composé initialement par John Lennon. Ce morceau sera leur premier véritable numéro 1.
Last night I said these words to my girl. I know you never even tried, girl. Come on, 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 please, 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 oh yeah, like I please you. You don't need me to show the way, love. Why do I always have to say, love? Come on, 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 please, 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 oh yeah, like I please you. I don't wanna stop complaining, but you know there's always pain in my heart. I do all the pleasing with you, it's so hard to reason with you. Oh yeah, why do you make me blue? Last night I said these words to my girl. Why no, I never even tried, girl. Come on, 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 please, 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 oh yeah, like I please you. Oh yeah, like I please you. Oh yeah, like I please you.
En 1965, George Martin quitte EMI et fonde son propre label Associated Independent Recording, R. Il devient un peu le 5e Beatles caché. En fait, il aide la formation à innover. Par exemple, l'ajout d'un quatuor à cordes dans Yesterday est son idée.
Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now it looks as though they're here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, yesterday came suddenly. Why she had to go, I don't know, she wouldn't say. I said something wrong, now I long for yesterday. Yesterday, love was such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Why she had to go, I don't know, she wouldn't say. I said something wrong, now I long for yesterday. Yesterday, love was such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe
yesterday.
City Lights sur Meuse FM.
George en aura beaucoup des idées sur les orchestrations des titres des Beatles. Malgré que chronologiquement leur dernier album soit Let It Be, cet album ne sera pas produit par George Martin mais par Phil Spector, le groupe étant officiellement séparé quelques mois avant.
Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Yeah, there will be an answer. Let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom. Let it be.
Le dernier album que leur produira Martin fut Abbey Road. En effet, début 69, les Fab Four, comme on les surnomme, ont un projet, mais sans George Martin. Ce projet se nomme Get Back. Mais ils n'arrivent pas à atteindre leurs objectifs, donc ils rappellent George afin qu'il leur produise l'album Abbey Road. En tout donc, George Martin leur produira 11 albums. Please Please Me, with les Beatles, A Hard Day Night, Beatles for Sale, Help, Rubber Soul, Revolver, Sgt. Pepper Lonely Heart Club Band, The Beatles Album Blanc, Yellow Submarine et Abbey Road. Écoutons Come Together, extrait de cet opus. Donc en 1970 sort Let It Be avec les enregistrements faits en 1969.
When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. And when the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer, let it be. But though they may be parted, there is still a chance that they will see. There will be an answer, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Yeah, there will be an answer, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. And when the night is cloudy, there is still a light that shines on me. Shine until tomorrow, let it be. I wake up to the sound of music. Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be.
George Martin a également composé pour 2 films avec les Beatles, 4 garçons dans le vent et Yellow Submarine. Mais il produira aussi les albums bleus et rouges qui sont des compiles divisant 2 périodes, 62-64 et 67-70. Pour varier les plaisirs, écoutons The Fool on the Hill.
Day after day, alone on a hill, the man with the foolish grin is keeping perfectly still. But nobody wants to know him, they can see that he's just a fool. And he never gives an answer, but the fool on the hill sees the sun going down
and the eyes in his head see the world spinning round. Well on the way, head in a cloud, the man of 1,000 voices talking perfectly loud, but nobody ever hears him or the sound he appears to make, and he never seems to notice. But the fool on the hill sees the sun going down, and the eyes in his head see the world spinning round. Tell what he wants to do, and he never shows his feelings. But the fool on the hill sees the sun going down, and the eyes in his head see the world spinning round. Sun going down, and the eyes in his head see the world spinning round.
City Lights sur Meuse FM.
Nous allons parler maintenant des autres artistes produits par George Martin. Tout d'abord, Peter Sellers, en 1960. Il lui fera graver des disques sur lesquels sont retranscrits certains délires du comédien. Chansons ou bien histoires drôles. Il réussit à faire graver un duo entre Peter Sellers et la sublime actrice Sophia Loren. Godness, Gracious Me.
Oh, doctor, I'm in trouble.
Well, goodness gracious me.
For every time a certain man is standing next to me, a flash comes to my face and my pulse begins to race. It goes boom, boody, boom, boody, boom, boody, boom, boody, boom, boody, boom, boody, boom, 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 boody, boom, boody, boom, boody, boom.
Well, goodness gracious me. How often does this happen? When did the trouble start? You see, my stethoscope is bobbing to the throbbing of your heart.
What kind of man is he to create this allergy? It goes boom, boody, boom, boody, boom, boody, boom, boody, boom, boody, boom, boody, boom, 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 boody, boom, boody, boom, boody, boom.
Well, goodness gracious me. From New Delhi to Darjeeling, I have done my share of healing, and I've never yet been beaten or outboxed. I remember that with one jab of my needle in the Punjab, how I cleared up berry and the dreaded dysentery. But your complaint has got me really foxed.
Oh, doctor, touch my fingers.
Well, goodness gracious me.
You may be very clever, but however, can't you see? My heart beats much too much at a certain tender touch. It goes boom, booty, boom, booty, boom, booty, boom, booty, boom, booty, boom, booty, boom, boom, boom.
Like it.
Boom, booty, boom, booty, boom, booty, boom.
Well, goodness gracious me. Can I see your tongue? Nothing the matter with it. Put it away, please.
Maybe it's my back.
Maybe it
Shall
is.
I lie down?
Yes.
My initial diagnosis rules out measles and thrombosis, sleeping sickness, and as far as I can tell,
influenza, inflammation, whooping cough and night starvation. And you'll be so glad to hear that both your eyeballs are so clear that I can positively swear that you are well.
Put two and two together. If you have eyes to see, the face that makes my pulses race is right in front of me.
Oh, there is nothing I can do, for my heart is jumping too.
Oh, we go boom, booty, boom, booty, boom, booty, boom, booty, boom, booty, boom, booty, boom, 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 booty, boom, booty, boom, booty, boom. Goodness gracious,
How audacious,
goodness gracious,
how flirtatious.
goodness gracious.
It is me.
It is you.
I'm sorry, it is us.
Citons encore Georges Chakiris, David et Jonathan. Attention, ce n'est pas le duo français, mais un duo anglais des années 60. Stan Getz, Shirley Bassey. Il arriva comme producteur au 4e album, Holiday, du groupe America. Écoutons Tin Man, qui fut un énorme succès aux États-Unis.
Sometimes late when things are real and people share the gift of gab between themselves. Some are quick to take the bait and catch the perfect prize that waits among the shelves. But Oz never did give nothing to the Tin Man that he didn't already have. And cause never was the reason for the evening or the Tropic of Sir Galahad. So please believe in me when I say I'm spinning round, 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 round. Smoke, glass, stain, bright color, image going down, 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 down. Soap, sud, green light bulb. Oh, Oz never did give nothing to the Tin Man that he didn't already have. And cause never was the reason for the evening or the Tropic of Sir Galahad. So please believe in me when I say I'm spinning round, 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 round. Smoke, glass, stain, bright colors, image going down, 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 down. So sun, green light bubbles. No, Oz never did give nothing to the Tin Man that he didn't already have. And cause never was the reason for the evening or the Tropic of Sir Galahad. So please believe in me. Ooh.
Il retravaillera plus tard pour Ringo Starr et Paul McCartney. Par exemple, le 4e album de Paul, Tug of War, est produit par George. Il contient le titre Ebony and Ivory avec Stevie Wonder.
Ebony and ivory live together in perfect harmony, side by side on my piano keyboard. Oh Lord, why don't we? We all know what we need to survive. Together alive, ebony and ivory live together in perfect harmony, side by side on my piano keyboard. Oh Lord, why don't we? We all know that people are the same wherever you go. There is good and bad in everyone. We learn to live when we learn to give each other what we need to survive. Together alive, ebony and ivory live together in perfect harmony, side by side on my piano keyboard. Oh Lord, why don't we? Side by side on my piano keyboard. Oh Lord, why don't we? Ebony, ivory, living in perfect harmony. Ebony, ivory, living in perfect harmony. Ebony, ivory, living in perfect harmony. Ebony, ivory, living in perfect harmony.
Rajoutons Jeff Beck, Ultravox, Kenny Rogers, Aerosmith, Alice Cooper, Cheap Trick, à qui il produira un album en 1980. En 1997, il sera derrière la nouvelle version, en hommage à la disparition de Lady Di, du titre d'Elton John, Candle in the Wind.
Goodbye, England's rose. May you ever grow in our hearts. You were the grace that placed itself where lives were torn apart. You called out to our country and you whispered to those in pain. Now you belong to heaven and the stars spell out your name. And it seems to me you lived your life like a candle in the wind, never fading with the sunset when the rain set in. And your footsteps will always fall here along England's greenest hills. Your candles burned out long before your legend ever will. Loveliness we've lost, these empty days without your smile. This torch we'll always carry for our nation's golden child. And even though we try, the truth brings us to tears. All our words cannot express the joy you brought us through the years. And it seems to me you lived your life like a candle in the wind, never fading with the sunset when rain set in. And your footsteps will always fall here along England's greenest hills. Your candles burned out long before your legend ever will. Goodbye, England's rose. May you ever grow in our hearts. You were the grace that placed itself where lives were torn apart. Goodbye, England's rose, from a country lost without your soul, who missed the wings of your compassion more than you'll ever know. And it seems to me you lived your life like a candle in the wind, never fading with the sunset when the rain set in. And your footsteps will always fall here along England's greenest hills. Your candles burned out long before your legend ever will. Your footsteps will always fall here along England's greenest hills. Your candles burned out long before your legend ever will.
Évoquons enfin des réinterprétations qu'il a orchestrées, comme celle de Céline Dion, toujours en 1997, du titre Here, There and Everywhere. Devenant sourd, avec l'âge, nous n'évoquerons pas au-delà de cette date, la qualité de son travail n'étant pas toujours au rendez-vous.
To lead a better life, I need my love to be here, here, making each day of the year, changing my life with a wave of his hand. Nobody can deny that there's something there. There, running my hands through his hair, both of us thinking how good it can be. Someone is speaking, but he doesn't know she's there. I want him everywhere.
On ne pouvait pas évoquer celui que l'on a appelé le 5e Beatles sans parler de la profession de producteur de musique, en l'occurrence de musique pop. Il est sans aucun doute un de ceux qui ont posé les premières pierres de la production de musique moderne. Citons tout de même Phil Spector et Milt Gabler. Un producteur de musique doit savoir tirer le meilleur des artistes dont il s'occupe. Il dose chaque note et ambiance chaque titre afin d'en tirer une efficacité maximale. Les critiques sont unanimes concernant le travail de George Martin avec les Beatles. Son meilleur album fut Sgt. Pepper Lonely Hearts Club Band en 1967. Cet opus contient 13 titres. Sgt. Pepper, With a Little Help from My Friend, Lucy in the Sky with Diamond, Getting Better, Fixing All, She's Living Home, Behind the Benefit of Mr. Kind, Within You, Without You, When I'm 64, Lovely Rita, Good Morning, Good Morning, et la reprise de Sgt. Pepper, puis A Day in the Life. En 1978, sort la BO du film Sgt. Pepper Lonely Hearts Club Band de Michael Schultz. Nous avons, il y a quelque temps, envoyé Aurélien en reportage sur le tournage de ce film catastrophique avec les Bee Gees et Peter Frampton. Mais ce soir, focalisons-nous sur cette BO, qui elle contient 24 titres. Produit par un George Martin très inspiré, elle est étoffée d'autres morceaux du Quatuor. On y retrouve Got to Get Into My Life, lui, produit par Maurice White des Earth, Wind & Fire. Produit par George Martin, Come Together, Get Back, The Long and Winding Road, Strawberry Field Forever, Here Comes the Sun, entre autres. Cette nouvelle vision musicale de George Martin est très intéressante. Fin des années 70, l'air disco est passé par là et la musique pop a besoin d'un nouveau souffle. Une ballade dans cet album nous emmène vers le titre I Want You, She's So Heavy, écrit et composé par John Lennon en 1969. Elle est une chanson d'amour destinée à sa nouvelle épouse Yoko Ono. Seuls 12 mots y sont utilisés. Elle est interprétée là par Donald Pleasence, Diane Steinberg et les Bee Gees.
I want you. I want you so badly. I want you. I want you so bad. It's driving me mad. It's driving me mad.
It's driving me mad. It's driving me mad.
Lights sur Meuse FM.
Terminons en évoquant le film Yesterday, un film de 2019 de Danny Boyle. Le réalisateur de Trainspotting et de 28 jours plus tard signe là une petite comédie qui flirte avec le surnaturel. Son héros, victime d'un accident de bus, va se retrouver dans un monde où les Beatles n'existent pas. Auteur, compositeur et interprète en galère, n'ayant comme unique groupie son ami d'enfance, Ellie, il va utiliser cette situation pour faire croire qu'il pourrait être l'auteur de tous les grands standards du groupe anglais. On retrouve Ed Sheeran dans le film, puis tout à la fin, John Lennon, vieux et vivant. Le tout fait bien entendu penser à Jean-Philippe, un film qui dépeint un monde sans Johnny Hallyday, mais avec Fabrice Lucchini. Pour terminer ce City Lights spécial George Martin, le titre qu'interprète John Malik, mis au défi par Ed Sheeran d'écrire le plus beau titre en 10 minutes. Voici The Long and Winding Road.
The long and winding road that leads to your door will never disappear. I've seen that road before. It always leads me here. Lead me to your door. The wild and windy night that the rain washed away has left a pool of tears, crying for the day. Why leave me standing here? Let me know the way. Many times I've been alone, and many times I've cried. Anyway, you'll never know the many ways I've tried, and still they lead me back to the long winding road. You left me standing here a long, long time ago. Don't leave me waiting here. Lead me to your door. But still they lead me back to the long winding road. You left me standing here a long, long time ago. Don't keep me waiting here. Lead me to your door. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Pas de chronique sample-moi car la tâche fut trop lourde de répertorier tous les samples repris aux Beatles. En même temps, très peu de titres, avec un sample des Britanniques, sont devenus des tubes. Par contre, en 1977, un groupe français du nom de Café Crème en avait fait un medley. Écoutons. Un medley produit sous le label Bimbo de Laurent Rossi, fils de Tino Rossi. Bonne fin de soirée à tous, rendez-vous la semaine prochaine pour un nouveau City Lights.